Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best light bulb changers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Femitu 12-foot light bulb changer for high ceilings and recessed lights. This product offers a robust solution for those hard-to-reach light fixtures. With its 10-section stainless steel pole that extends up to 12 feet, this changer is ideal for high ceilings, recessed lighting, and even floodlights. The inclusion of a suction cup and interchangeable 8-finger cages ensures compatibility with various bulb types, including LED, incandescent, and fluorescent bulbs. In terms of design, the Femitu changer is lightweight yet durable, thanks to its stainless steel construction. The pole segments are easy to assemble, and the ACE thread head is compatible with other accessories, making it versatile for multiple uses. However, it does require careful attention to tightening the poles during assembly to avoid any separation during operation. User reviews highlight its effectiveness when used with clean and dry bulbs, though some found the suction cup less reliable with irregular bulb shapes. While this product is highly functional, its lack of a listed price and its slightly steeper learning curve during assembly and operation place it at rank 5. This changer is best suited for homeowners with a variety of bulb types who require a long reach and are comfortable with a bit of initial setup. Pros include its sturdy build and broad compatibility, while the cons are the suction cup's limitations and the need for precise assembly. Coming in at number 4 is the QWork Professional Light Bulb Changer Kit. This 3-piece set is designed for versatility, offering a recessed bulb changer, a floodlight bulb changer, and a suction cup for standard, incandescent, and LED bulbs. The suction cup, with a durable silicone design, provides a solid grip for smooth, flat bulbs, making it a reliable tool for various lighting scenarios. It's compatible with extension poles, though one is not included in the package. The build quality is solid, with lightweight yet durable plastics that make it easy to handle. Its grabber design is particularly useful for removing broken bulbs, a feature that many users find invaluable. While the suction cup works well for certain bulb types, it struggles with round or non-smooth surfaces, which limits its versatility slightly. The lack of an included pole also means you'll need to purchase one separately, adding to the overall cost. This product is perfect for homeowners who already own an extension pole and need a lightweight, easy-to-use kit for occasional bulb replacements. Pros include its comprehensive set of tools and its ability to handle break-in bulbs, while the cons are its limited compatibility with some bulb shapes and the need for a separate pole. Its simplicity and reliability earn it a spot at number 4. At number 3, we have the Gadfish 12-feet light bulb changer for high ceilings. This product is designed for convenience and efficiency, featuring a 10-section stainless steel pole that extends to a maximum of 12 feet. It includes a suction cup and 2 8-finger cages, making it highly adaptable to various bulb types, from standard LEDs to recessed and floodlight fixtures. The pole segments are equipped with wing screws to ensure stability during operation. In terms of design, the stainless steel construction is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to maneuver without feeling heavy. The adjustable silicone touch strip on the 8-finger cages provides a secure grip on bulbs, reducing the risk of accidents. However, some users have noted that the suction cup struggles with irregularly shaped bulbs and requires a clean, dry surface for optimal performance. Assembly is straightforward, but you'll need to ensure the wing screws are tightly fastened to prevent the segments from separating. This changer is a great choice for homeowners looking for a balance between affordability and functionality. Its versatility and durable construction make it stand out, but its limitations with non-smooth bulbs and the need for precise assembly keep it from ranking higher. Pros include its lightweight design and broad compatibility, while the cons are its suction cup's limitations and the need for careful assembly. In the second spot, we have the Fanatesys 13FT light bulb changer for high ceilings. This tool features a 13-foot aluminum pole, making it the longest reach on this list. The lightweight design ensures stability during use, and the anti-slip foam handle adds comfort and control. The innovative 8-finger cage design provides a secure grip on bulbs, while the suction cup offers an alternative method for bulb removal, making it versatile for various bulb types and sizes. The build quality is excellent, with durable aluminum poles that are both strong and lightweight. The recessed screws and anti-slip handle enhance safety and usability, making it an excellent choice for homeowners who prioritize stability. However, the product's relatively high price and the need for careful assembly may deter some buyers. The included accessories, such as the bulb claws and suction cup, are efficient but require a bit of practice to use effectively. This product is ideal for those who need a long reach and a comprehensive toolset for high-ceiling lighting fixtures. Pros include its extended reach, durable construction, and versatile accessories, while the cons are its price and the slight learning curve involved in its use. Its combination of features and reliability earns it the runner-up position. Taking the top spot is the Edor 48350 Bulb Changer Kit without pole. This 4-piece kit is a versatile and budget-friendly option for homeowners. It includes attachments for flood, incandescent, and recessed bulbs, as well as a tool for removing broken bulbs. The standard threaded end makes it compatible with most extension poles, though you'll need to purchase one separately. The design is simple and effective, with lightweight plastic components that are easy to handle. The inclusion of a broken bulb remover is a standout feature, offering added functionality that's not commonly found in other kits. While it lacks the reach of some other options on this list, its compact size and ease of use make it perfect for everyday needs. Users have praised its reliability and the convenience of its attachments, though some have noted that the lack of an included pole is a drawback. This product is the best choice for those who want a straightforward, no-frills solution at an unbeatable price. Pros include its affordability, versatile attachments, and ease of use, while the cons are the lack of an included pole and the limited reach. Its combination of value and functionality makes it the top pick for this list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.